Now allow me to clap, allow me to no clap, no concern me. When I don't pay. Oh. Now they do like say, if I don't clap now, say they go refund their money. Voice me. Nothing. I want just lay one complaint, I beg. If I know anybody in a pilot here, when I help me tell them, say anytime. When they carry passenger, maybe they let us here, waiting they talk. Oh. I don't know why we say we go pay money enter flight. Flight go take off against gravity. One year man in the name of pilot. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So welcome to this airline. My name is Captain James and my cabin crew. And we are flying to the 6,000 feet above the sea level. And we are. And we are. Thank you very much for flying with us. Enjoy your flight. You ain't mad? Who's flying with us? This country don't anyhow now. Even people don't dream. Yeah, dream. Joblessness don't make some men go come sleep, wake up. One guy where they like, where they crush, the winch go come use her face. Come wipe the guy. The guy will wake up, all his body wet. They do me, oh bros, no be lie, oh. One winch they call, the winch they come every 2 a.m. Wipe me, go by 4. 2 a.m. go come. Wipe me, go by 4. One day the winch come. Hold on. 2 a.m. You reach 4, I don't let them go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now the winch come, they complain. I be winch, I say I know. Me and this winch there, hold on. Reach 6 p.m. Now let them go. When I don't say that midnight, the winch no come. The following midnight, he no come. The third midnight, he no come. And the fourth midnight, now the winch come. This time around, he come. He can't stand for the entrance of my room. Me, I lie down, they look at him. They look me. I look at him, they look me. I mean, until I say, come now. She say, no. I say, why? He say, we never talk price. Eh? At last, when they do this, they give you money now. He say, the last one, I go hospital. No, it's not bad though. No, I tell you, there's a difference between, I beg give you the chair. There's a difference between, there's lounge, bar, and, say, lounge and club goes along. If you get lounge, convert them to club. Bar and beer parlor, they go along. But there is one where they far from those two groups. They call them joint. Oh, DJ, come see the example. Club, where you go here? Or, I beg give me that drink. Oh, no verse. I go return, don't worry. See ya. Club, yeah. That is lounge or club, bar or beer parlor. 90% Nigerian music. You go see if you reach the table now, green bottle, empty. DJ play. No, they dance. What does Igbo boys? You don't do. Make God punish the waiter say you want to go pack the bottle. In Hezuzu. Are you mad? You don't want people to know that you are alive. If you pick anybody here, we won't pay you. Come and get out here, idiot. But the one that they call joint. First of all, you don't let them near gutter. Secondly, the owner can tie rapper. Thirdly, now taxi drivers don't only patronize that place. If you check the quit, I want to ask one question: which convenient taxi driver get with Ankara and lace? They know they wear past those two and one cap. See them. You got only one particular song they have. And they don't do one bottle that they drink with 3 hours. And they can sleep, just shake leg. Bring it down. Ladies and gentlemen, there's different. Say, now, you go wear cloth of 200,000. Another person goes wear that same cloth, the same quality, the same color, You go ask the person how much. The person go tell you say na 2,005. People go say na lie, na fake. No be fake, oh, na patient. Oh God. Patient, man, tell you how it be. If you go boutique business na your business. Oh. If you go boutique, see, you'll find that new arrival. Go there, no try yourself. Oh. You go see t-shirt 180. You say go shock. Go meet the guy. Say how much did you say this shirt? Go say go check the price with pride. Go check out. That time it's still fresh. My brother, if you are patient enough, no buy. Go. Give them 3 months. Come back. You go see that they don't come out that new arrival, right? 50% discount or off. God bless you. It's a big patronizer. That time you go see him. How much? 90,000. My brother, if you are patient enough, no buy. Go. Give them like 3 weeks. Come back. They don't come out that 50% off. You hear? Promo sales. That time the price don't drop, go like 15,000. If you buy, they'll dash you 2 exercise book and 1 biro. My brother, if you are patient enough, no buy. Go out. Give them 2 weeks. Come back again. They don't come on promo sale. They'll remove them from hanger, put them on table, push and go outside the boutique. Go hire canopy. Go write distress sales. You go ask how much. They go tell you say 5-2. They go ring bell, bang bang bang. My brother, if you are patient enough, bros, my video joke I beg. If you are patient enough, no buy. Give them 2 weeks. Come back again. If you do that, they don't come out that distress sales. You go, yeah, these items must. They'll go hire DJ. DJ go to play. How much? They'll say 2-2. My brother, if you are patient enough, if you are still patient at this time, you are wicked. Good night. What